Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Have you ever wished you could carry a multimeter, an oscilloscope, and a signal generator all in your pocket? Well, today we're unboxing and reviewing the Alientek DM40, a high-performance 3-in-1 testing tool that promises to be an all-rounder for electronics hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. A 3-in-1 tool that could replace half your electronics lab. Let's see what it can really do. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, we get the Alientek DM40 main unit, compact, sturdy, and surprisingly lightweight. A pair of multimeter test probes, an adjustable MCX oscilloscope probe cable, crocodile clamp probes with MCX connector, a Type-C charging and data cable, temperature thermocouple probe, a mini screwdriver, and of course the user manual, which is in English and Chinese. The device itself is compact and lightweight, weighing only about 260 grams, measuring just 140 by 83 by 25 millimeters, and with a 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen, it feels solid and premium, perfect for carrying around in your toolkit. On the front, we have a 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 320. It's bright, sharp, and supports touch interaction, making it super convenient to navigate settings and function. At front side, we have the banana jack sockets for multimeter probes, and on the top, a USB Type-C port along with an MCX socket for oscilloscope input and signal generator output. And one side is power on-off button. Now let's check out the multimeter function first. The DM40 supports 4 to 5/6-digit measurements with up to 60,000 counts. It can measure DC voltage up to 1,000 volts with 0.03% accuracy, AC voltage up to 750 volts, current up to 10 amperes, and resistance all the way up to 60 megaohms. It also handles capacitance, frequency, temperature, continuity, and diode testing. One really cool feature is the trend chart display. It shows how your measurement changes over time with adjustable time bases. That's something you rarely see in a handheld multimeter. Even the diode and continuity test is enhanced with a multi-segment beep design. It feels snappy and precise. Let's put the multimeter to the test. DC voltage test. The DM40 measures DC voltage up to 1,000 volts. Here it reads this 9 volts battery accurately. AC voltage test. Now for AC, rated up to 750 volts, the meter shows the mains voltage with true RMS precision. Resistance test. Here's a 55 kiloohms and 1K resistor, and the DM40 nails it with 0.1% accuracy. Continuity test. Continuity test is fast and responsive with a multi-beep tone, no lag at all. Capacitance test. It also measures capacitance up to 60 millifarads. This 25 microfarads capacitor shows right on point. Diode test. In diode mode, it shows forward voltage drop and even supports resistance testing below 1 kiloohms. Temperature test. Using the temperature probe, it measures from -40 degrees Celsius up to 1000 degrees Celsius. Here's a quick demo in warm water. And for advanced testing, the trend chart mode is great for monitoring values over time, as shown on screen. Next, the oscilloscope. The DM40 has a sample rate of 50 megasamples per second, a 10 megahertz bandwidth, and 10-bit resolution. You can choose between YT and roll time-based modes with a memory depth of 64K points. It supports auto, normal, and single sweep modes and comes with a variety of trigger options. Plus, it includes math functions like FFT and ABS, which is impressive for such a compact tool. Now let's try the oscilloscope. I've connected it to a simple waveform, and you can clearly see the signal on the display. You can adjust the time base from 100 nanoseconds up to 50 seconds, and it supports auto, single, and normal trigger mode. It even has FFT analysis, so you can view the frequency spectrum directly. The third function is the signal generator. It can generate sine, sawtooth, triangle, and square waves up to 10 megahertz, with amplitude up to 3 volt peak to peak. And for square waves, you can adjust the duty cycle from 0 to 100%. This is great for testing circuits, sensors, and audio stages. Let's test it. Sine wave. A clean sine wave up to 10 megahertz. Square wave. A square wave with adjustable duty cycle from 0 to 100%, perfect for digital circuit testing. Triangle and sawtooth waves. And, of course, triangle and sawtooth waves, great for simulation and audio testing. The DM40 is powered by a rechargeable battery that gives you about 12 hours of use in multimeter mode and 10 hours in oscilloscope mode. That means you can take it anywhere without worrying about charging too often. Pros and cons. So what do I like about the DM40? It's a true 3-in-1 device that saves space and cost. High accuracy multimeter with TRMS support, touchscreen trend charts, and easy interface, oscilloscope and signal generator in such a compact form factor. But of course, there are some limitations. The oscilloscope bandwidth is only 10 megahertz, so it's not suitable for high-speed digital signals. The signal generator's duty cycle adjustment is limited to square waves. Still, for students, hobbyists, and even field engineers, this is an amazing piece of gear. To wrap up, the Alientek DM40 packs a ton of functionality into a pocket-sized device. If you're into electronics repair, DIY projects, or just want a powerful all-in-one tool, this little gadget is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you won't miss upcoming reviews. And if you're interested in getting the Alientek DM40, I've left a buying link in the description below. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.